Hey, everybody. How you doing? Move that. Citizens Blue Diamonds here. Hope everybody's doing great. I have another Disney Doorables Series 9. Still trying to fill my collection. Here's the 50 you can collect. So, our code is X68. X68 there. So let's see who we have. I know there's some new ones that's just come out I've seen, but I haven't found them, so still looking for them, and I'll find them. So these, you get 5, 6, or 7 in the box. Let's see what we have. Looks like 5. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this baby up. Let's see, who do we have? We have bag 15. We have, we have Dot. She's rare. We have Miss Dot. Oh, I love it. Let's see, can we get her back in there? There we go. Miss Dot from, what is that? I can't think of the movie. How sad is that? A Bug's Life. Couldn't think of it for a second. All I could think of was ants. No way. She's a new one for me. And I believe this is Huffalump from Winnie the Pooh. No, Lumpy. No, that isn't Lumpy either. All right, who else had? Oh, Finnick. I apologize. Oh, you know what? I forgot about him. Finnick from Zootopia. I haven't watched some of these in a while, you guys, so be patient with me. That's why. He's new. And what did I say he was? Finnick is a common. Okay. I thought it was the Humphalump dude, but it's not. Or Lumpy, I should say. But it's not. Our checklist. So, no, bag number 39. Let's keep it going. Let's see, who do we have? Ooh, the fox from Zootopia. Nick. Isn't he cute? Gotta love him. Okay, and number 4. If y'all haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you part of the Blue Diamonds family. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, hit that all button with the bell. They should let you know when I upload one. Give me a thumbs up, that like button. Share the video with those you think would enjoy it. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from y'all. Absolutely falling in love with these Doorables. I think they're fun. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with them all other than play with them. Oh, we got Mater. He is a rare. I'm not for sure if he's a duplicate or not, to be honest. I know I've gotten some, I think I've gotten Lightning McQueen. Okay, our last one, bag 6. Bag number 6. Let's see, who do we got? Oh, the kitty. He's a rare. Machiavelli? I'm not sure how you pronounce that. He is Ooh, I'm not sure which one he's from. So that's who we have. So that is, let's put him over here where you could see him. So that is my set that I've gotten of Series 9. Let me know, do you like watching, opening up the Doorables? I know they come out with a new set that's got, I think, 4 or 5 of them in it. And I was glad to see Moana in that set. So they're adding more characters, so that's good to see. All right, you guys, I will let you go. Just a short, sweet video here, and we'll catch you on the next one. You have a good night, morning, evening, whatever it is in your part of the world. Remember, sprinkle your joy, your love, your kindness. Could change your day as well as somebody else's. You just don't ever know. All right, and I'll see you next time. Bye.